Thanksgiving's right around the corner. I don't know how you cook your turkey, but I'm gonna show you how I cook my turkey. Bacon up bacon grease. Know what you're thinking, where do you get a tub of bacon grease like this? Bass Pro Shop or Cabela's. So Mino's selling turkeys again this year. These turkeys are from Turkey Valley. Check out his website and you can order one in time for Thanksgiving. This bird's gonna get an injection. Let's make the sauce. 2 sticks of butter, some Worcestershire, whoa boy, some hot sauce. I'm going with Louisiana. All these seasonings. All right, we're gonna get this guy everywhere. Now I'm gonna coat this entire thing on all sides with my guy Cracker's Cajun 2-step. God, that was easy. We going slow. 3 minutes a pound at $3.75. All right, we're done.
Yeah, that's more. I can't believe it only took 30 minutes. Because it ain't gonna stay like that.
Are you kidding me? Delicious.